Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to quickly cover how I set up this boom rig with the Tascam Portacapture X8. I apologize for any wind noise. I just got done using this setup, so I figured I would just make a quick video about it. But it's very simple, it's compact, and that's why I like it so much. Essentially what it is this here is a super clamp, and then that super clamp attaches to an RA boom pole, and on top of the super clamp is the Tascam Portacapture X8. I have a really short XLR audio cable that goes into the end of the boom pole, and then on the other end I have the Sennheiser MKE 600 microphone. It's really nice that this boom pole has an XLR cable running through it, so you don't have to run a cable from your microphone all the way to your audio recorder. This helps keep things like really tidy. And yeah, all in all, I find it's really easy to use. I find it's nice and balanced. So if you're looking for a compact and really versatile boom setup, I totally recommend going with this approach. If you wanted to take things one step further, I'd recommend getting a Bluetooth transmitter so you can plug that into the headphone out of the Tascam Portacapture X8 and have wireless headphones on, and that would free you up from this headphone cable that you're dealing with right now. I don't really mind having the headphone cable, but again, if you were looking to keep things as clean and minimalist as possible, that might be something worth experimenting with. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't vouch for whether it would work or not, but it was an idea I had. If I get around to trying it, I'll let you know in a future video. All right, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.